Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Will's Kitchen Table. Chef Will is here again guys with another amazing recipe. Guys, it's pretty simple. It's a kids menu today guys. So what I'm making on the kids menu guys is some chocolate chip cookie. Kids love chocolate chip guys. So this recipe you guys can jump in and try it out. Make some chocolate chip cookies for the kids guys. They love that. Hey, guess what? We know we love it too as well. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right in now and I will show you guys the recipe. Pretty simple. Let's get it going. All right. Okay, guys, so this is what I'm working with here for the chocolate chip cookie, guys. All right, guys, I got 1.5 cups of flour, and guys, I got 1 teaspoon of baking soda inside here, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and I sift the flour. All right guys, so that's what's sitting right here. And then guys, I got half a cup of butter right here. You gotta make this room temperature. All right. And then guys, I got half cup of brown sugar right here and 6 tablespoons of white sugar. All right, that's what in that bowl here. And I got a teaspoon of vanilla right here guys, and 1 large egg guys. So all right, and that's all I'm working with right here. So we're just gonna get this mixture going. It's pretty simple, fast guys. Let's get it done. All right, we're gonna mix this together. So guys, I'm just using the hand mixer. All right, and so I had the butter inside here with the sugar. All right, we're just gonna mix that in medium. All right. So guys, that's pretty much as soon as it's nice and smooth like this, that's what you're looking for. All right. So guys, I'm gonna move on to another step. So guys, now I'm just gonna add the egg. So that's the 1 egg in there guys, and the vanilla, and we're going to mix again. So guys, now we're gonna add the flour in slowly. All right, I put in half at a time, and I'm gonna mix again and low this time. So guys, as soon as it's everything is mixed together, you remove the mixer guys, because you don't want to over mix the flour inside. All right guys, that's what it comes out looking like. All right, so we're gonna add some chocolate chip right in there. All right guys, I'm just using 2 cups of semi sweet chocolate right here, chocolate chip. You guys can use more if you like. This is only 2 cups. Just gonna use a spatula and incorporate it. All right guys, you don't want to over mix. As soon as it's incorporate guys, you let it sit. All right, and it's the same way mixing in the flour guys. And guys, if the dough is pretty warm when you're done mixing, just let it sit in the fridge for a few minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, and you should be good to go. All right. So guys, that's our chocolate chip cookie dough right there. I'm just gonna cover it with some plastic wrap and let it sit in the fridge for 15 minutes guys, and we're gonna get it in the oven. All right. So guys, I'm using a smaller scoop right here. You can use a big one if you like. Just gonna drop these right now. So guys, I just pulled them out the oven right now. They're gonna cool down for a few minutes. All right, so that's what they look like. That's the chocolate chip cookies. I'm sure your kids will love these guys. They're looking beautiful. Just gonna let them cool down and we're gonna try one. So guys, the chocolate chip cookies, guys, they came out amazing. So that's what they look like guys. Beautiful, really nice guys. You kids, they will love these guys. Take a look. You put them on a plate guys, a glass of milk. Ah, Guys, your kids will go crazy for these cookies. They're amazing, guys. You can see the chocolate inside. I'm just gonna try one. Guys, this is nothing but love. Nothing but love in these cookies. I just want to thank all of you guys for watching. Like, share, guys, and subscribe to this channel. For those of you who are new, I'm Chef Will at Will's Kitchen Table. Thanks for watching again. Like, share the videos, guys, and drop a comment. Let me know how you guys like this recipe. And I got a lot more coming, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.